All right, Darlington, summer is almost here, and I hope you're ready because we are. The splash pad, we're excited, will be up and running in the first part of June here. They've got, I think, one more little small thing to do, approved by DHEC, and then when DHEC comes out to inspect, it'll be up and rolling. At least then all the little punch list has been taken care of. It looks wonderful out there. We appreciate everybody's efforts for making this great. And so it's making sure everybody knows it's free for the public. Anybody can come out and use it. It's supposed to hold around 125 kids, and hope they all have a great time. There's handicap bathrooms, handicap parking for them to park out their own. And so bring you some lawn chairs, use the benches and stuff they got out there, and enjoy the day with your kids. And like I said, it's not hot right this moment, but in just a couple of days or so, summers will be hitting us really hard. All right, our water and sewer department's been working hard. They still got a few other projects they're working on, and the Cashua Street over by Dedicated Community Bank and the voter registration in that area there, possibly working on some line bursting there, so there'll be a little bit of construction there. Also, Coker Street got paved the other day. We greatly appreciate them taking care of all that from the way they did the cuts on that street. So always trying to make constant progress. More things were coming. By the end of August, DOT is supposed to have South Main paved from the square to D Avenue. It seems like one of the worst roads in the whole world sometimes to most people, and it is kind of rough, but like I said, DOT's got that scheduled to be done by the end of August. We had a little delay when we were trying to work on South Main, so we asked them to hold off on that, so that's put us a little bit behind, so that way we wouldn't go out and cut brand new roads. So hopefully we'll continue to be able to get these things fixed, so when they do pave it, we won't have to go back and do continuous work on new asphalt. So we've had a lot of great, exciting bands in the past. We've had two this year, and got Josh Brannon Band coming up on June the 13th at 6 o'clock. It's on a Friday night, and this one's going to be held at the Poet Square. It starts at Friday night at 6 o'clock. And bring your lawn chairs, come out. There'll be vendors out for food and drinks and stuff for everybody to enjoy. Great time for the whole family, and a lot more events coming up throughout the year, but this one should be a beautiful weather, beautiful time for the family to come out and enjoy right downtown in the middle of our city square. Darlington. I want to say thank you to the DDRA for hosting the Taste of Darlington this year out at the racetrack. Was a wonderful turnout. Have a large number of people come and actually pay to be able to be at the Taste of Darlington, and then had I think a record number of vendors that came out that their service is free to give out back to the city of Darlington, and we local businesses and just residents that offer their cooking and time for people to come out for the Taste of Darlington to make that all successful. And so all that money is raised by the DDRA. It goes back into the city of Darlington. They use that to help other businesses in town, and we greatly appreciate their support and effort for our beautiful city. On Memorial Day, we had a good turnout of citizens and veterans and all that came out for the Memorial Day service that we've had a number of years. That is put on by some of the veterans, and we appreciate their time and effort of remembering those that lost their lives and gave their greatest sacrifice to protect our country.